So we're gonna unbox my Do Care makeup brush that I got from Shopee. So I'm gonna put the link in the description box where I got this. Kung gusto nyo din mag-try, then just click the link. Ganito siya sa loob. So individually packed. These are all the brushes. And then meron lang silang instructions. But everyone knows how to use makeup brushes. Ang material pala nito is synthetic hair, and goat hair, and horsehair, and aluminum ferro, wooden handle, and that's it. So, nakalagay lang dito kung para saan yung mga brush. So, this is actually a very beginner-friendly instructions. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa pag-makeup, then yeah, you can use this. So, this is really helpful. And meron pala tayong 15-piece makeup brush set. So, we have 15 pieces. Now, unwrap na natin sila. Ganda rin ang packaging, in fairness. And yan, meron din silang, ano tawag dito? Bristle guard. Kung ano man yung tawag dyan. At maganda rin yung, quality. So, this is the flat top brush, I believe. Malambot. I love it. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And very maganda yung pagkaka-cut sa kanya. Maganda. Tsaka malambot. I love it. Tsaka alam mo yun, hindi yung parang tinipid sa bristles. Kasi yung napansin ko sa mga makeup brushes sa Shopee, kaya hindi rin ako bumibili agad. Kasi parang hindi siya full yung brush. Kaya mura. Pero ito, how much did I get? Kalimutan ko, lalagay ko na lang dyan. But yeah, mura lang siya and maganda yung quality. So, ito talaga yung pinakakailangan ko for my foundation. Next brush is this. Meron pala nakalagay. This is the foundation brush. Pack. Then this is the highlight brush. Number 120. May bristle guard. Kung ano man tawag dyan. So, I like it. This is my first time having this kind of brush. Ang ganda. So, this is for highlight. Pero pwede rin siya pang blush on and pang powder. So, yeah. That's really nice. At saka ang ganda ng, hindi talaga na tinipid. Hindi yung flat na flat. Alam mo yun. Yeah, maganda. Close-up look. At saka yan, maganda yung pagkaka-print ng mga letters. At saka tingnan mo yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Hindi chippy pie. That's all I can say about it. So, I'm very happy. This one, eyeshadow brush. Ganda ko. Medyo angled siya. Then we have pencil brush. Next is, what's this? Contour brush. Ayun, makapal siya. Malambot talaga yung Sabi dun, synthetic hair, goat hair, horse hair. It's a mix of different hairs, I guess. Love it. Kasi ang tagal na ng makeup brush ko din. Kailangan ko na siyang palitan. This is a buffer brush. Buffer brush. Wow. Probably for your powder. Oh, ganda, diba? So nice. Ito naman yung mga maliliit na makeup brush lang. So, a blending brush for your, I guess, eyeshadow. And then, eyeshadow brush again. So, maliit lang siya. Eyeshadow brush, number 129. This is color white. Maybe this is a horsehair. I don't know. Pero yeah. So, this is a flat definer brush. Flat siya. Yan po siya. So yeah, it's a flat one. Next, eyeshadow brush 127. Yan. This is a brown naman. I don't know. I think this is the horsehair. The white one, I don't know. Ito medyo matigas yung yung pagkaka. If I compare it to this, malambot ng isa ito. Medyo mas dense, I guess. Ito maganda mas malambot siya. Parang parehas lang sila, medyo mahaba lang yung isa. And this is the smudge brush. Yan, ito din yung malambot. Yung brown. Smudge brush. We also have eyeshadow brush number 126. Parang parehas lang sila. So, ayan. Magkakaiba lang sila ng haba at saka yung density. At saka yung yung sa bristle. Ayan, magkakaiba sila. So, depende kung ano yung pang-a-apply. Then, we have eyeshadow brush 145. Ito, angled siya na medyo flat. And then, last but not the least, wow, this is an eyeshadow brush again, na mas fluffy. So, perfect for blending your eyebrow. I mean, your eyeshadow. So, yeah, the white din. So, dalawa yung white natin. And then we have 2 browns. So I think this is a horsehair. And ito hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Kung goat hair or what. Pero ito yung parang pinaka natural na hair. So I'm guessing this is from horsehair. Pero this one really feels nice din eh. Malambot siya. So I don't know guys. Meron man nakalagay dito. Wala nakalagay kung anong hair yung nakalagay sa brush. But yeah, that's all my kailangan natin para makakulat tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are all the Do Care makeup brushes, the 15 set, which I think is all I need for my makeup. I'm doing my makeup. So that's all guys. Look at it. It's so nice. So I might do my makeup later using this, and I might do a video using these makeup brushes for my makeup, doing my makeup. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you wanna try this makeup brush, it's really good. I highly recommend kasi makita nyo naman yung quality. Ang ganda-ganda. The link is in the description box below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or whatever. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye for now! So, ito yung luma kong mga brushes. So, hindi ko na kailangan ng bristle guard. Nahulog. But, yeah, hindi ko na kailangan ng bristle guard. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. And, ibibigay ko itong mga luma kong brushes sa kapatid ko, I guess. There you go. So, I really love this. Tagal na nito sa akin as well. So, kung gusto nyo din itong lagay ng makeup brush, ibubudol ko na rin kayo kasi it's really nice. It keeps your brushes clean all the time. So, yeah. It's really nice. Nalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box, guys. Bili na kayo. Maganda talaga yan.